What is going on, fellow pyros, ladies and gentlemen? We're coming at you with some Pyro Demon 1.75 inch, 4-inch long cans, Fear of the Dark. Pretty nice holographic look to the wrapper on this. They do have a plastic top to them. See these numbers? Yep, there it is. Red, green, yellow, blue, and they have a number 12 on them. Kind of hard to see the reflection right there. But they are numbered on top. And I'm assuming in this box, I still got 2 of the 6-packs just to show what they look like. Now, here you go. We have Brocade Crown and Ghost Red, King Crown plus Neon Red White Glittering, King Crown Sky Blue Gold Chrysanthemum, Green and Purple Palm Tree Gold Glittering, Red Spider Green Glittering, Blue Peony plus Ghost Red, Green and Purple Yellow Gold Strobe, Brocade Crown Blue Yellow Green, Gigantic Silver Crackling, Brocade Crown Red Green Blue White Strobe, Blue Wave Orange Wave Red Strobe, Red Green Yellow plus Blue. So 12 effects, so probably 2 of these per sleeve, give you the 24 in a sleeve. Let's check these out. Again, these are your Fear of the Dark shells for Pyro Demon fireworks. So let's check them out. See what you guys think. Again, 1.75 inch around by 4 inches long. Nice little green holographic look. Well, you know the rules. Thumbs up, thumbs down if you like or dislike this thing. And we'll see you in the comments down below. I got these, of course, from Bada Boom Fireworks in Blakesley, PA. Let's go check them out and see what you think. Fear the Dark.